What's up guys, it's MD here, and today we're gonna do part 2 of these things. Okay, budget PC builds for pretty cheap. We actually achieved a 3000, which I think is actually pretty insane. And yeah, let's spin, I guess. Okay, what we'll get to build. Okay, the rules are simple as in the last video. I do have sort of things that I need, which are must have, such as PSU, GPU, RAM, and CPU. Motherboard, and yeah, I'm gonna just show you how I'm gonna do this. So like everything except the case, to be simple. With 2000, you actually can do insane things, such as, you know, like an i9, I guess, like normal 13900K, and Dark Rock Pro 4, Dark Rock 4, I mean. Bro, this would be actually insane if I would have this. Okay. Now we are gonna go on with the main board. Oh my god, I literally think like this should be actually a Z790 from the last video, or a Z690 if you want, depends on right now. I'm gonna do a Z790 as this is the main board, which actually does do the biggest things. And yeah, ultra durable. Okay, I'm gonna get the ultra durable one, as then I actually can focus on the 4080, which I actually want to get. Now the DDR5, 64 gigs if I want to do it. Like, wait real quick, wait, no bro, are you serious right now? I want button 2. Okay, now I have everything except PSU, which I'm gonna start with. I do have 2000 euros, so I actually have to get like an 3070, I guess, like, you know. And 3070 you actually need to get like an 750 watts, I guess. So I think this should be actually the good thing. But there's even one. Okay, I'm just gonna go with this forward. 3070, you see, 3070 is cheap as fuck, so I actually can get it if I have like on 1300 or 1500 PC, and then have 900 for only the hardware, which I can focus on. But where's the 13th gen? So yeah, okay, apparently it is not there. So I think I'm gonna get again with the Zotac one. You actually just can get a 12 gig or 8 gig. I'm gonna get like an 8 gig, so cause um, this looks a bit of scummy, but yeah. Well, if we get, and this is the free 3060. Am I stupid? Bro, the 3070. So, what do you, no, wow. I still want the 3900K. So yeah, I got it. No thanks. And this is the PC that you, but bro, no, no, what did Intel do? Oh my god. Then well, I guess we'll stick with the, I think 90 3090F. Please let me buy it. Wow, perfect. For 2000 euro, you actually just could like get a case and then go forward with it. Oh wait, and the M.2, the M.2, the good old M.2. But I got it. So yeah, let's edit. Add. This is what I have to do. So I screenshot it. Now I can remove the 2000 from the thing. No, let's spin. Okay. 1000 euro PC build. So I recently had like a 1000 euro PC build, kind of. But I think to start things off with an RTX 3060 on RX 6500, yeah. How you want to have it? I'm gonna start with this thing, I guess. And yeah, then let me get rid of the things that I'm not gonna definitely use. So I think I'm gonna get again with the Ryzen setup, like getting another 7600. This is actually one of the best CPUs that you actually could use right now for gaming. So yeah, I see the problem. Guys, do you want that I actually should get this? Because I need to get the PSU and then the motherboard, which apparently is costing one at least 200. Yeah, well, just the end of the journey, I guess. So yeah, I think with the RX 6650. Okay, how much does the 6650 XT cost? Okay, I have to delete this and literally put this in, and then we get again what? Now it costs a bit more, the Asus. I guess we're gonna get it this time. Yeah, I think this time I'm gonna talk about the most underrated GPU that you will see, like which actually is comparable to an RTX 4090, and it's actually way less power consuming, like on 100 watts less power consuming, and literally destroying it on price. I'm gonna talk it. I'm gonna talk about it. Yeah, if I'm gonna get like an 2500, then I'm gonna get like a high-end Ryzen AMD only thing. Yeah, okay. Then the sys system power 700 watts. Bro, definitely. Oh, here. Yeah. And yeah, with that being said, for 944 euros, you actually have an insane amount of. Well, okay. I got it faster. I got it faster. So, after I get this, we can delete the 1000. Oh my god. The pain will continue. The pain will continue. The pain will continue, and as we are gonna go on, what the hell is going on with the price? This would be so boring that I'm just gonna show you what I chose. Okay, we're gonna see us later on. So I got this actually, like 700 watt, be quiet, an LPX 16 gigabytes of RAM, and B450 plus 2 main board, Ryzen 5 5600G with cooler, and then the PCI Express 4.0 SSD. It does have an integrated graphics as is a G. So yeah, let me do this. Yeah, got it here, right? Okay, and then here. So yeah, I've got it. So now I'm gonna get. Oh, please don't be anything stupid. Oh my god. Why? Why? Hey yo. For 800, for 700 euros. Well, I don't have a big plan for this. Like, okay, I think the only things that are still gonna be here are these. As I think for 700 euros, this time I'm gonna get like an. Are they still existing? No. Oh, come on. No. No, you can't. You can't say me that they are not existing anymore. Oh, come on. Don't be so harsh. $553, okay. I have so low budget on for graphics card, but I think you'll forgive me if I'm gonna do like a bit more. Like, you know, I know this is an actual insane GPU that you actually added on, but oh, come on, don't be so harsh. Don't be so harsh. It's actually, don't be so harsh. It's only a bit, only a bit. Okay, and that actually you can like add yourself some more. And I think And I think this is actually the best CPU, I mean the best config for 700 and 800. So I can delete them either. Oh my god. I'm gonna do another 400 here. Oh, come on. Oh, this won't end good. This won't end good. Oh no, I get a 400 one. 500, okay. 500 is pretty bad. 500 is pretty bad. As yeah, okay, there's some things that I still can have there. Like, okay, this is what I need to get rid of, and this is what I need to get rid of. An exceptional here are like 100, around 200, 300. Okay, so now let's check for an Ryzen 5. I mean, let's check it this time. Ryzen 7 5700G. And well, this I know this is not actually made for like PSU. Okay, this is like not made for like high-end gaming, so you can't expect like a low budget PCs to actually like work like high-end, but you actually can expect some kind of power and performance. So you see 500. Wow. Yo, I always doing like a screenshot so I can give them to Dennis. Okay. Please don't be 400. This would be annoying if I need to do 400. Please, this would be annoying. But if I do 400 right now. Wow. Wow, 1,500. 600. Okay, now that I think of, you actually can have all of this stuff. But this time you're gonna change to another well-known CPU, the 5600. And then it's so, my friend, it's literally like, hey, how about the 5600? So this is an actual 600 euro PC hardware build, and only hardware. So if I'm gonna send him the video and like hold the things, why only? Am I stupid? Bro, why are they costing so much? He's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me. Okay. So I'm gonna get like the 5500. Okay. Like this is an actual okay, made for okay gaming PCs, and this is actually something that you actually should like think about. Like, yo, there's a 4600 or a 4500. This is the most budget CPU that you actually can do with 6 cores and like 8 years. And 1 year ago I literally bought my second gen for literally nearly I literally bought it on 120 euros, so don't charge me. It used to be a pretty good price. And now I think with the RX 6500 XT applied, it's actually a pretty good and pretty decent gaming PC. I'm doing it as a discount of 50%, but you see here, like for 175 you actually can get these. I'm doing right now the cheapest, so yeah, you can't expect me to like try to do this. So yeah, this is an actual 560 euro PC build, which It's actually one of the most budget PC builds that I actually did that are pretty good. So 600. Oh please. Oh, the half of it is 400. Oh my god. Please don't be 400. Please. 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 400. No 400. Bro, are you serious right now, bro? Okay. Now let's turn it a bit off. More like, okay. This time I'm gonna delete these and these. And this is right now like a 314. And I know that if I do one, that I actually have more budget for like an 400 euro gaming PC. Like literally, like if I write right now, F150. So I think if I'm gonna get it, like I think like this, I think this is one of the best ones that I actually can do, like which have the good performance. So yeah, for this is actually the most budget CPU and PC build that I actually did. Just like literally just changing the thing, like the graphics card. And it's literally, or this graphics, the RX 6500 is around 1.4 times to 2 times better than this Radeon 7. I mean the Radeon Vega 7. Okay, so I think I got rid of them. Okay, now to the big daddies. Now to the big daddies. I'm just gonna do it as an literal closest will win. And I got the 1500 PC build. So I'm gonna right now go literally Intel i7 12th gen, as I think this is actually a pretty decent choice. And literal oh be how, what is this B660? Oh my god. Ah, okay. Okay, then I'm gonna get it. Maybe you can't overclock the CPU, but depends on what, you just can find another, like some kind of 20 or 30 euro more. But now I want to literally like invest into a pretty good GPU. Okay, now let's check what kind of, yeah, DDR4. Then I actually just can like go here. Depends on how much you need. I am just gonna do like a 32 gigs bundle. Delete these and delete these. And I got it for 700. Now I have 700 euro to actually get a GPU. Guess what? Wow, wow, that are actually a pretty insane. A 4070 Ti is actually existing right now. Okay, how about 4060? Is there a 46? How much does it cost? Changed my mind. Yeah, well, a 3070 Ti. Bro, for in this computer you actually get like an i7 the 12th gen and pretty solid main board for this, like an 32 gigs of RAM at wait, This was on my bro. No. You better not buy like this. They're actually still on 1,300. So you actually, if you have like luck, then you can get a 3080. Or even 4070 Ti. What the hell is going on? What the fuck? Hey, oh my god, what the fuck is going on? Okay, no. This is bad. No Ti. That are only Ti. So I think with a 3080, we are solid. We are solid friends. Okay, for 1,500. Insane. Like, why I'm always using this? It's a pretty solid option. It's Kingston, and you know Kingston's actually well known for good M.2 and like like RAM that you're actually using like HyperX from HyperX. I'm using in HyperX RAM solution either. They are from Kingston. So yeah, another one. Okay, and now it's the last round. Only 2,500. And if you think that I'm gonna do anything, bro, I forgot the PSU. You just can't buy the PSU. Okay, I forgot it. So I'm gonna delete everything except this. The reason for that is for 2,500 I'm gonna get a high solid Ryzen 7, the 7th gen. Please don't be X. Wow. It does have a cooler integrated, but I actually think about. Wait, what kind of cooler does it have? Aha. It's cheap. SF. What's the cooler of it? Like, what's the stock cooler for this? It does use a Brave Prism. You okay? And to be honest, if we are doing so high end, then it needs to be insane. So now we are doing the RX. This is the most underrated one. 7,900 XTX. It's the literal equivalent to one of the most well-known RTX 4090, having a way better value. Look, it's only costing 1,000. It's only costing 1,000 comparing to our well-known insane 4090, which is actually costing double the price. Okay, and it's actually 100 watts less power consuming, so 350. So okay, so you can get actually, well, it depends on what you actually can get, like for 200 euros more, like literally 4 gigabyte. But I'm gonna use the Asus TUF, I guess. And I think that are one of the most good garden things. Like if I'm gonna do DDR5 right now, like what is this? Like you have so powerful computer that you actually need a 2 times 32. And yeah, depends on what Oh my god, it's out of the league. But never mind. But if you have a bit of more money, then you actually can get it. I'm gonna stick around with 64 gigs of RAM on 2 times 16, and you actually can stick around with 128. So I'm gonna get 2 of these, and then no thanks. So yeah, you're gonna get the most high end. Yeah, I'm gonna get my favorite X670E Asus, and just the white one. Yeah, that one. Asus Prime X670 Extreme. Bro, this thing needs to be here. And as long as we did not cross over, we can get the straight power. For 1000 watts. And well, I think I'm gonna get the 1000 watt platinum. I don't know why it's costing less, but the only thing that I know is if it's costing way less and it's high quality, that I'm gonna get it. You see, I literally get so insane things that I actually could get like an literal freaking PC case. Definitely not these goofy are. And I know it will look bad if because it is like white and this everything is black, but you can like choose from everything. And where's the NZXT? Yeah, definitely this one. Or just an 4 terabyte HDD for your. Oh, well, then you see that I'm gonna get the Iron Wolf. And yeah, of that being said, for 2,600 euros, you get such a powerful computer that actually even the i9, the PC build, which actually was based on insane amounts of CPU power, can't even compare to this. It can actually compare, but it's actually pretty rarely that it's gonna outperform. So if I would have 500 euros more, I would literally get like an 128 gigs of RAM, literally a 24 gigabyte version of this, and I think even the 4090 can outperform it. But wait, what was the combination of it? Real quick here, yeah, I think here, and then here screenshots. Oh, this is a bit off. So let's check. No, not now. Okay. What was this? Oh, no, not this. I'm gonna come back if I'm gonna find a screenshot, I guess. Here I have the beauty. i9 3900KS, a literal 64 gigs either, and 4080, a straight power gold, okay, and Dark Rock 4, and Kingston, and this everything for 3,000, and this is what I got for 500 euros less, and literal Intel destroyer. There's AM, advanced micro devices. Oh my god, the last screenshot. So I think we are ready with the series. I literally built insane amounts of computers, and I hope you will like this series. I mean my thing, and yeah. With that being said, bye, guys. Well, this was a bit of big recording, I guess.